Dear students, uh, the topic of today's lecture will be sigmatropic sigmatropic rearrangements. As you know, we have studied two major classes of pericyclic reactions. One class that we studied is the cycloaddition reactions. Second class was electrocyclic reactions. Now the third major class of pericyclic reactions is the sigmatropic reactions. First of all, we will see what is the definition of sigmatropic rearrangements. Sigmatropic rearrangement reaction. What are sigmatropic reactions? We can define it as a sigmatropic reaction is a process in which a sigma bond is broken in the reactant a new sigma bond is formed in the product and the pi electrons move from one position to other. So this is what happens during a sigmatropic reaction. होता क्या है, एक सिग्मा बॉन्ड ब्रेक होता है रिएक्टेंट में, एक नया सिग्मा बॉन्ड बनता है प्रोडक्ट में, एंड दिस इज accompanied by the movement of pi electrons, migration of pi electrons from one place to another place. We'll see the example of sigmatropic reactions. We can also say that another definition of sigmatropic reactions before we go to some examples. We can also define it as a reaction in which a sigma bonded atom or substituent migrates across a pi electron system from one position to another. This is also called as sigmatropic reaction. इसको भी हम सिग्माट्रॉपिक रिएक्शन बोलते हैं. क्या होता है इसमें, एक सिग्मा बॉन्डेड एटम या सबस्टिट्यूएंट जो है ये माइग्रेट करता है थ्रू अ पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन सिस्टम from one position to another. So this is known as sigmatropic reaction. Let us take an example, simple example. I will take an example of a 1,3 sigmatropic rearrangement. This 1 comma 3 I will tell you later on about this nomenclature, but फिलहाल आप याद रखिए कि हम यहाँ पे एक 1 comma 3 sigmatropic rearrangement की example दे रहे हैं. For example, this molecule we have CH3 C CH3 CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2. So under thermal conditions होता क्या है इसमें, ये वाला बॉन्ड जो है दिस सिग्मा बॉन्ड ये ब्रेक होगा. ओके, दिस सिग्मा बॉन्ड विल गो हियर एंड दिस विल गो हियर एंड दिस मिथाइल ग्रुप विल शिफ्ट टू दिस पोजीशन. सो इसकी हम पहले नंबरिंग करेंगे 1 1 2 3. So what happens, this methyl group here, it will shift from this position, it will shift from this position and it will go to this position. Means from position number 1, this is carbon number 1 here, it goes to carbon number 3. This is carbon number 3 here, this is carbon number 3. Okay, so the product will be something like this: CH3 CH3 double bond CH single bond CH2 CH3. Okay, this is this sigma bond, this is the new sigma bond which is formed. This is the sigma bond which breaks, and this pi bond, this pi bond here, it shifts from this position and it goes to this position. So this is what happens during a sigmatropic reaction. So what has happened, one sigma bond has broken, one sigma bond is broken, one sigma bond formed, and simultaneously pi electrons have moved, pi electrons have moved from one position to another. So I gave an example of 1 comma 3 sigmatropic rearrangement. I will give you another example of a 1 comma 5 sigmatropic 1 comma 5 sigmatropic rearrangement. 1 comma 5 sigmatropic rearrangement. So I will give you this example: CH3 CH H, this is CH double bond CH single bond CH double bond CH2. So this is the sigma bond which will break. We'll number it like this: 1 1 2 3 4 5. So what will happen, this sigma bond will break, this sigma bond will break. So when it breaks, it goes here. Okay, this will go here and this will go here, but what comes here will be this hydrogen. It will get attached to this carbon using two electrons from this pi bond. So this hydrogen goes from carbon number 1, this hydrogen, it goes from C1 to C5. That's why it's known as 1,5 sigmatropic rearrangement. So the product will be, its product will be, I will make it in the next page. Its product will be CH3 CH double bond CH single bond CH double bond CH single bond CH2 and H. This is the product, and this bond is the new sigma bond formed. So what has happened, if we go to previous slide, this sigma bond here, it breaks, this sigma bond breaks here, it goes to this position. So you will have double bond here, this double bond goes here, and this double bond goes here as a sigma bond. So what happens during all of this, one sigma bond has been formed, these pi electrons move, and as we have seen in the next slide, this new sigma bond has been formed. So these are all examples of sigmatropic reactions, or sigmatropic rearrangements they are called.